Everyone, good morning. Coach Charlotte here. And our penultimate nugget. Nugget 25 of 26. How has lockdown counted for you? Have you made it count? Have you come out of the other side of it triumphant? Are you saying yes to more of you? Are you impacting with more yeses to life, to more opportunity? You matter. Your yes matters. And does yesterday count? What have you learned from yesterday? What have you learned up until yesterday of what you're going to take forward into your life, or what you're going to leave behind? Tomorrow is our last nugget, 26 of 26. Feel free to share and ask any questions. Thinking differently, it's your birthright. You matter. Your yes matters. Yesterday played a role yesterday. How is it going to influence your tomorrow?